Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Welcome students. In your previous video, you have seen how to find general solution of the given differential equation. Now we will see how to find particular solution of the given differential equation. So first we will find the general solution and then we will move towards finding the particular solution of the given differential equation. So this is your given differential equation. Let us take the given differential equation. 3 e raised to x tan y dx plus 1 plus e raised to x sec square y dy is equal to. Now first we will do the variable separation form which we have studied earlier also. So we will take this term on the other side. So we have 3 e raised to x tan y dx is equal to, this will become minus 1 plus e raised to x sec square y dy. Yes. So here you have differential dx and here you have differential dy. So all the terms of x we will take on LHS and terms of y we will take on RHS. So what this will become? 3 e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to x dx equal to minus sec square y upon tan y dy. Yes, so you can see here you have differential dx, the terms of x are here you have differential dy and the terms of y are here. So we are done with variable separation form. After this what we do? We integrate both sides. So 3 is constant, we can take outside the integration side. This will become e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to x dx equal to minus sign integration of sec square y upon tan y dy. So which formula we will use here? We can clearly see the derivative of the denominator is present in the numerator. So we are going to use the formula of integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. We have studied this. So we are going to use this formula here. We can see derivative of 1 plus e raised to x is e raised to x and derivative of tan y is sec square y. Therefore what this becomes? 3 log of 1 plus e raised to x is equal to minus log of tan y. And for constant c, if we have two terms of log, we are going to take constant c as also log of c. Now if you take this term on this side, it will become plus and using the exponent log, this is log of 1 plus e raised to x to the power 3. So this is log of 1 plus e raised to x cube plus log of tan y is equal to log c. Plus sign is using log of logarithm, plus means this will become product of the terms. So this is log of 1 plus e raised to x cube into tan y is equal to log c. So when you compare both the sides, log of this term is equal to log of c. Therefore 1 plus e raised to x whole cube into tan y is equal to c. So till here we have seen how to solve the examples and find the general solution. But this is called general solution because c is present in your equation. Yes. Now we will find the particular solution at x equal to 0 and y equal to pi. So we will substitute the values here. Therefore 1 plus e raised to 0 to the power 3 into tan of pi is equal to c. So anything raised to 0 is 1. So this will become 1 plus 1 to the power 3. So what is tan pi is equal to? Tan pi we all know it is 0 is equal to c. So anything into 0 is 0. Therefore value of c is equal to 0. So here you get value of c at x equal to 0 and y equal to pi. Therefore, what is the particular solution? Particular solution your particular solution. Now let us see next example for particular solution. So given differential equation is x minus y square into x. So let us take the differential equation x minus y square x into dx minus y plus x square y into dy is equal to 0. First we will take this term on the other side. It is minus, automatically it will become plus. So what you have, x minus y square into x dx is equal to y plus x square into y dy. Yes, now from these two terms we can take x common out. So we have x into 1 minus y square dx equal to, from these two terms you can take y common out. So y into 1 plus x square dy. Yes, now here the differential dx is there. So LHS you should have terms of x. Here differential dy is there. So you should have terms of y. So variable separation form we will take 1 plus x square here and we will take 1 minus y square on RHS. So this will become x upon 1 plus x square dx equal to y upon 1 minus y square dy. Clear? So till here this is variable separation form. After this we will integrate on both sides. So we have integration of x upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to integration of y upon 1 minus y square dy. Now how to integrate this? So if you look at the denominator 1 plus x square, what is derivative of 1 plus x square? It is 2x. And what is derivative of 1 minus y square? It is minus 2y. So what we will do? We require 2 here also and we require 2 in RHS also. So we will multiply by 2 on both sides. So this will become 2x upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to 2y upon 1 minus y square dy. Now here you can see derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. But derivative of 1 minus y square is minus 2y. So what we will do? We will write minus of minus. Minus of minus is plus. So we will write like this. So automatically derivative of 1 minus y square is minus 2y. So we have to form integration of f dash of x upon f of x. Here also we have integration of f dash of x upon f of x. So what is this equal to? This is log of 1 plus x square is equal to minus log of 1 minus y square and plus, for constant we will take log c. So log of c. Now again this term we will take on LHS, it will become plus. So log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 minus y square is equal to log of c. Yes, then addition means using law of product. This is equal to log of 1 plus x square into 1 minus y square is equal to log of c. And when you compare both the sides, we get 1 plus x square into 1 minus y square is equal to c. So this is your general solution for the given differential equation. Yes, so after finding the general solution, we will find the particular solution when x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. So let us substitute the value of x and y. So 1 plus 2 square into 1 minus 0 square is equal to c. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So here you have 5 into 1 equal to c. Therefore, c equal to 5. So you get value of c for this at x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. You get value of c 5. Therefore, particular solution is 1 plus x square into 1 minus y square is equal to 5. So this becomes your particular solution. Okay. Now let us see the next example. So what is the example? Given differential equation is e raised to y plus 1 into cos of x plus e raised to y sin x dy upon dx is equal to 0. So we will take this term on the other side. So it will e raised to y plus 1 into cos of x is equal to e raised to y sin x dy upon dy. This will become negative because here it is plus sign on RHS, it will become negative. Now we will take dx differential on LHS. So all the terms of x we will keep on LHS and all the terms of y we will keep on RHS. So here you will get cos x, dx we will take here dx. The sin x we will take on LHS, it will be divided. So sin x is equal to minus e raised to y. So e raised to y plus 1 will come here in the denominator, e raised to y plus 1 into dy. Cos x upon sin x is cot x. So cot x dx is equal to minus of e raised to y upon e raised to y plus 1 into dy. So this becomes your variable separation form. Now we will integrate both sides. So integration of cot x dx is equal to minus integration of e raised to y upon e raised to y plus 1 dy. We know that integration of cot x is log of sin x. So log of sin x is equal to minus sin. Then again this is the format of f dash of x upon f of x. So it will be log of e raised to y plus 1 plus log of c, constant of integration. Since both the terms are in log, constant also we take in terms of log. Take this term on LHS, so it will become plus. So log of sin x plus log of e raised to y plus 1 plus log equal to log of c. Again addition means log product, so this will become log of sin x into e raised to y plus 1 equal to log of c. Then by comparing both sides we get sin x into e raised to y plus 1 is equal to c. So this is your general solution of the given differential equation. Now we will substitute the value of x and y and we will find the particular solution. So at x equal to pi by 6, therefore sin pi by 6 into y is 0, e raised to 0 plus 1 is equal to c. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30 is half. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to c. So half into 1 plus 1 is 2. So you get half into 2 is equal to c. 2 cancels, therefore c is equal to 1. So here you get value of c as 1. So what is the particular solution? So particular solution is sin x into e raised to y plus 1 is equal to 1. So this becomes your particular solution for this differential equation at x equal to pi by 6 and y equal to c. So let us see the next example. The given differential equation is cos of dy by dx is equal to 8. Now first we will simplify the given equation. So cos of dy upon dx is equal to 8. When we take cos on the other side, what it will become? It is dy upon dx is equal to cos inverse of 8. Right? Now we take dx on the other side. So dy is equal to cos inverse of 8 dx. Now there is no term of x and y in this example. We have just separated the differentials and the constant. So after doing this, we will integrate this given equation. So it will become integration of dy. Cos inverse of a is constant into integration of 1 d. This is integration of 1 d. Integration of 1 dy is y is equal to cos inverse of a into x. So cos inverse of a into x plus constant of integration. So this is your general solution of the given differential equation. Now you have to find the particular solution for y of 0 equal to 2. So y of 0 is equal to 2. This means that for x equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Yes? We know anything into 0 is 0. Therefore, we get C is equal to 2. Yes. So what becomes your particular solution? So we will substitute here. So particular solution is y equal to cos inverse A into x plus 2. If you just want to simplify, you can simplify this equation. You can take 2 on the other side. It will become y minus 2 is equal to x into cos inverse of A. Take x this side. It is y minus 2 upon x equal to cos inverse of A. And if you want, you can write this as cos of y minus 2 upon x is equal to A. Yes, so this is the simplified version of this particular solution. Just take 2 this side, y minus 2, x gets divided. When you take cos again on LHS, it will become cos inverse will become cos. So cos of y minus 2 upon x is equal to A. So this is your particular solution for given differential